Have a nice day, everyone. Hello, grade 5. I am Teacher Dex and welcome to our math class. Let us read the first problem. Ryan biked 15 and 2/3 kilometers while Ricky biked 10 and 1/4 kilometers every morning. How many kilometers is the difference of the two bikers between Ryan and Ricky? What is asked? The two bikers' difference in kilometers they bike every morning. Given facts: 15 and 2/3 kilometers and 10 and 1/4 kilometers. Plan. Operation to be used is subtraction. Number sentence. 15 and 2/3 kilometers minus 10 and 1/4 kilometers is equal to n. Let us solve. 15 and 2/3 subtract to 10 and 1/4 is equal to n. But we cannot yet subtract because the fraction is dissimilar in denominator. So we need first to get the least common denominator of 3 and 4. We have 3. 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, and so on and so forth. Then we have 4. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16, and so on and so forth. So the least common denominator of 3 and 4 is 12. And place here as our new denominators. Then let us continue. We need to get back again the given whole numbers, which is 15 and 10. Then let us divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Then let us subtract. We will subtract the whole number first. So 15 minus 10 is 5. Then let us subtract the numerator. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Then subtract the denominator. 12 minus 12. Copy 12 or rewrite the same denominator as 12. Therefore, the final answer is 5 and 5/12 of the two bikers' difference in kilometers they bikes every morning. Another problem. Mrs. Corpus bought 15 and 3/4 meters cloth. She used 8 and 1/2 meters for curtains and 6 and 1/5 meters bed cover. How many meters of cloth were not used? What is asked? The meters of cloth were not used by Mrs. Corpus. Given facts: 15 and 3/4 meters of cloth, 8 and 1/2 meters of curtains, and 6 and 1/5 meters of bed cover. Plan. Operation to be used: addition and subtraction. Number sentence. 15 and 3/4 minus 8 and 1/2 plus 6 and 1/5. Then let us solve. First, we add 8 and 1/2 plus 6 and 1/5. before we subtract to 15 and 3/4. So 8 and 1/2 plus 6 and 1/5 is cannot be subtracted yet because the fraction is dissimilar. We need first to get the LCD or least common denominator of 2 and 5. We have 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12, and so on and so forth. Then we have 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20, and so on and so forth. So 10 is the LCD of 2 and 5. We put as our denominator here. Then we need to put back again the whole number, which is 8 and 6. Then let us divide. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 5 times 1 is 5. And place it in the first numerator of addends. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then 2 times 1 is 2. And place in the second numerator of addends. Then let us add first the whole numbers. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Then let us add both the numerator. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 10 plus 10, just copy 10 as the denominator. So 14 and 7/10 is the answer that will be subtracted to 15 and 3/4. Let us continue. 15 and 3/4 minus 14 and 7/10. But if we take a look at the denominator of both fractions, it is dissimilar. So we need first to get again the LCD of 4 and 10 before we subtract. We have 4. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. And so on and so forth. And we have 10. 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. And so on and so forth. Therefore, the LCD is 20. And we place here. We need also to get back the whole numbers, which is 15 and 14. Then let us now divide. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then 5 times 3 is 15. And place in the first numerator of the main wind. Then 20 divided by 10 is 2. Then 2 times 7 is 14. And place in the numerator of the subtrahend. Then let us now subtract the whole number first. So 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Then let us subtract both the numerator. 15 minus 14 is 1. And 20 minus 20, just copy the denominator 20. Therefore, the final answer is 1 and 1/20. The meters of cloth were not used by Mrs. Corpus. Next problem. Aunt Cynthia baked one whole cake for her three daughters, namely Myra, Myla, and Kimberly. Myra ate 1/3 of it. Myla ate 1/6 also. And Kimberly ate 1/4 of the cake. What part of the cake remained for Aunt Cynthia? What is asked? The part of the cake remained for Aunt Cynthia. Given facts: 1/3 cake, 1/6 cake, and 1/4 cake. Plan. Operation to be used: addition and subtraction. Number sentence: 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/4. Let us solve. First, let us add the three fractions before we will subtract to the whole number, which is 1, to determine the remaining cake of Aunt Cynthia. So let us now add 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/4 is equal to, the given fractions are all the similar fractions. So we need to get the LCD, which is 3, 6, and 4. We have 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. And so on and so forth. Then we have 6. 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. And so on and so forth. And we have 4. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. And so on and so forth. So 12 is the LCD, and we place here as our new denominators. Then let us continue. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And we place here as the first numerator. Then 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And place here as our second numerator. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And place here as the third numerator. Then let us add all the numerators. 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 12 plus 12 plus 12, just copy 12 or the same in denominator as 12. The answer is 9/12. Let us continue. 1 minus 9/12 is equal to n. Rename first the whole number, which is 1, as fraction, to be subtracted to the other fraction. So 1 will become 12/12. 12/12 is equal to 1. Where did we get 12 as our numerator and denominator? We copy the denominator to the other fraction, which is 12, in the subtrahend. Let us now subtract 12/12 minus 9/12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 as the numerator. 12 minus 12, just copy 12 or same denominator as 12. We can still simplify 3/12 or reduce it in lowest term. What do you think is the divisible of 3 and 12? So 3 is the divisible of both 3 and 12. Let us divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. The lowest term is 1/4. Therefore, the final answer is 1/4. Was the part of the cake remained to Aunt Cynthia. For our last example, Jamaica spent 5 hours studying for her math subject and 2 and 1/4 hours on her other subjects. How much time did Jamaica spend more on studying math than on her other subject? What is asked? The time did Jamaica spend more on studying math subject than on her other subject? What is given? 5 hours math subject, 2 and 1/4 for her other subjects. Number 3. How can the answer be found? Understand or analyze the problems, then plan and solve. And number 4, what operation to be used? Subtraction. So, we have 5 minus 2 and 1/4 is equal to n. Here, we apply the method of subtraction of mixed number by whole number. First thing to do, rename the whole number, which is 5, into mixed number form. We borrow 1 from the whole number, which is 5, and it will become 4 and 4/4 already. Where did we get 4/4 as our fraction? By just copy the denominator in the subtrahend, which is 4. Then 4/4 is equal to 1. And if we add 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 as the original whole number. So let us now subtract. 4 and 4/4 minus 2 and 1/4 is equal to. Subtract the whole number first. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then subtract the numerator. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 4 minus 4, just copy 4 or still write 4 as our denominator. Therefore, the final answer is 2 and 3/4. The time did Jamaica spend more on studying math subject than on her other subject? This ends the given examples from Activity 1 to Activity 3 of our lesson for Quarter 1, Week 5.2 about solves routine and non-routine problems involving addition and or subtraction of fractions using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and easy to answer the given exercises in your given activity sheets. Until next time, goodbye. Thank you and God bless.